hi, my name's Bonnie. I'm one of the vets here at Max & Min. As a vet, I like to be able to tag my notes really easily and able to price things and also be able to see all my prescriptions all in one place. So using AI pet summaries, for me, it saves a lot of time. Traditionally, we'll probably be scrolling through many pages of history and trying to prioritize and trying to find all the necessary details. It's important to know the basics, what sort of medications that they've been on before, why that patient has seen me today as well. That's always really helpful, and especially when things sometimes on a day-to-day basis, you don't have that much time to be scrolling through previous histories. And for me, I think using Lupa's AI pet summary, I can actually use that time to make things a little bit more efficient, but also you've got that sort of confidence and you can have a really reassuring chat with these clients.